Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we have a ton of exciting stock market news to cover, plus some notable earnings reports and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just a heads up that yesterday we did announce the winners for our 25,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you go check out that video to see if your name is on the list. Okay, let's jump right into all of this exciting stock market news. We are ending the week with stock futures well into the green this morning. Currently, we have the Dow futures up 0.5%, S&P 500 futures up 0.42%, and the NASDAQ futures up 0.44%. To bolster trust and transparency in the booming digital asset space, MasterCard has announced it plans to acquire CipherTrace. CipherTrace is a cryptocurrency intelligence company that bridges virtual currencies and financial services together with fraud protection, anti-money laundering, and financial investigation solutions. The acquisition will bring together CipherTrace's suite of digital assets and MasterCard's cybersecurity solutions, which will allow clients to better identify and understand risks, along with supporting management of digital asset regulatory and compliance obligations. MasterCard will be able to provide customers, merchants, and businesses more options as to how they move digital currency. The MasterCard stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 25%. Ford Motors announced that they plan to cease manufacturing vehicles in India due to accumulating losses totaling $2 billion over the past decade. As part of the restructuring plan, Ford plans to halt vehicle assembly at the Sanand plant by the fourth quarter of 2021 and production at the Chennai unit by the second quarter of 2022. The restructuring is likely to impact around 4,000 employees. The president and CEO of Ford said that as part of our Ford Plus plan, we're taking difficult but necessary actions to deliver a sustainably profitable business longer term and allocate our capital to grow and create value in the right areas. The Ford stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 28%. Shares of Peloton surged nearly 10% after the company announced their launch of their own apparel brand, Peloton Apparel. Peloton Apparel's debut for fall 2021 is available online and in a few of the company's stores across the world. The collection includes women's, men's, and gender-neutral styles and accessories. The pieces in the fall 2021 collection are made from Peloton Essential Fabric, Peloton Move Mission Fabric, Peloton Lightlines Fabric, and Peloton Cadent Fabric. The Peloton stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 23%. Verizon Communications has announced a 10-year partnership with the National Football League to utilize 5G to help support innovation and technology adoption within the league. Through this partnership, Verizon and the NFL aim to harness the power of 5G to positively impact management, scouting, training, health and safety, and game day operations. Further, it aims to enhance the stadium experience for audiences with features like Verizon 5G Multiview and expansion of the deployment of 5G ultra-wideband. The Verizon stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 13%. Microsoft has inked a strategic partnership with Oyo to bring next-generation products to the travel industry. The two are coming together to improve business opportunities for hotels and homeowners. The tech giant has also confirmed an investment in Oyo. The strategic partnership will entail technological engagement between the two companies, with Oyo being able to share its workloads on Microsoft's cloud platform Azure. Oyo will also use the Microsoft 365 suite and GitHub Enterprise to accelerate its tech development. The solutions that Oyo and Microsoft will offer are aimed at helping patrons in the hospitality industry operate small and medium-sized storefronts. The Microsoft stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside just over 10%. Facebook is teaming up with Ray-Ban on a pair of new smart glasses called the Ray-Ban Stories to help capture some of life's spontaneous moments. Ray-Ban Stories is the latest piece of innovation designed to capture photos and videos and share adventures. One can also listen to music and take phone calls with the glasses. The smart glasses come equipped with a 5-megapixel camera capable of taking photos and recording up to 30-second videos hands-free using the Facebook Assistant voice command. Paired with the new Facebook View app, Ray-Ban Stories makes it easy to share captured photos and videos with friends and social media. The smart glasses are going to sell for $299, with customers able to choose from 20 style combinations. The Facebook stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 11%. And we have Amazon. Looking to compete with companies like Samsung, Sony, and LG, they've launched a line of Amazon-branded televisions. Amazon has previously licensed its Fire TV platform to a small number of TV manufacturers. On Thursday, they unveiled new models under the Toshiba and Pioneer brands to be sold through Best Buy and Amazon's own online store. Amazon has been selling TVs under the Toshiba and Insignia brands through Best Buy since 2018. The move to make Amazon-branded TVs marks a more aggressive approach to capitalize on its position as the global leader in connected television hardware, thanks largely to its Fire Stick streaming device. The Amazon stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 20.5%. Now let's take a look at some notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we're waiting to hear from Kroger and Beyond Spring, with the after hours remaining fairly quiet. In the after hours yesterday, we heard from AFRM Holdings, whose stock is up nearly 24% in the pre-market, despite earnings missing analyst forecasts. They reported a fourth quarter loss of 48 cents per share, which missed forecasts of a 29-cent loss. Their revenue beat expectations of $226 million. The buy now, pay later company also said it expects fiscal first quarter revenue of $240 to $250 million, which was above the forecast of $234 million. They say that they're gaining traction in smaller dollar items, signing up more merchants and expanding their services. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy, and after the big jump in price, the average upside is just about 2%. And we also heard from Dave & Buster's, whose stock is up nearly 8% after posting better than expected quarterly results. Their food and beverage, amusement, and other segments recorded triple-digit year-over-year revenue growth. The company reported earnings of $1.07 per share, meaningfully surpassing analyst estimates of 52 cents per share and comparing quite favorably to a loss of $1.24 per share in the year-ago quarter. Their revenue came in at $377.6 million, which was up a whopping 643% year-over-year and ahead of analyst estimates of $351 million. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 39%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by AFRM Holdings. Under the ticker AFRM, they're currently sitting up about 22%, followed by Legend Biotech under LEGN, up 6.5%, and Covitrus under CVET, they're up over 6%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Apellis Pharmaceuticals. Under the ticker APLS, they're currently down over 31%, followed by Sumo Logic under SUMO, who's down 13.5%, and Traeger under COOK, they're down over 13%. So that'll be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.